Today we are here at Makali Durga. We're doing the trek. It's 6:30. We started at 4.
5 o'clock.
Around 5.
Ah,
Yeah, 5.
5 o'clock.
Woke up at 4 and started our journey at 5. So we reached here by 6:30. The sun is rising, so it should take about close to 1.5 hours as per Google. So let's see how it goes. Cheers.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. We are at the parking
Let's
lot.
go.
This is the parking,
This is the parking.
and we have to cross a railway line now. Let's see how
You
it
can
goes.
hear the train. So, yep. Let's start.
Coco is ready.
Yes.
Lenny is ready. Oh, it's an engine. That is also burnt stick. Gone. So yeah, we have entered Makali Durga trek point. Just walking, it's like normal trail. Had some issues at the beginning related to dogs. Dogs are not allowed here because there are leopards, and we insisted because we already have paid the entry fee, something like that. So they told that you can take, but at your own risk. So yeah, it's a caution, and it's a risk that we are willing to take for the experience. So take an informed decision. Makali Durga is not pet friendly, but yeah, I am willing to take the risk for this. We are carrying some crazy ass stick in case we need it, but hoping that we won't. So let's see. Sun is rising. Rajesh is behind, waiting for me to finish talking. We had a small trail, kind of a mud trail. It was like hardly a kilometer, not even a kilometer, 500 meters, and now it's full rocky ascent. So yeah, let's do that.
started the trek from the temple. It has been a constant ascent. So yeah, it's not that difficult if you're a fit beginner. If you're a regular trekker, I'll think you'll find it not very challenging. But yeah, just make sure that you work on your cardio and core strengthening, and thighs should be strong. So a good way to prepare for this trek is going on a 5k run or a 2k run, whichever you find it easy. Do it at least 2 or 3 times a week, and your muscles should start developing, and your recovery rate also will be higher. So yeah, that's a small tip to climb a hill like this. Let's continue. Lenny,
एक बार चेक कर लो वैसे तुम्हारा फेस आया कि नहीं करेक्टली.
Lenny, come here. Okay, let's continue. Lenny, lead the way. And if you're bringing your dogs, I would not recommend coming to Makali Durga. The guard said that it's not pet friendly, but yeah, it is a risk that the owner should take, so they allowed us. But I would not suggest this hill as a first trek for your dogs. You can do Kunagalu Betta or Yatiraja Betta near Ramnagra. That would be a easy start for your trekking journey with your doggos. Okay, let's continue.
Don't know where we are. Climbed God knows maybe 4,000 5,000 rocks to this view. Hi guys. Yeah, we can see the fort now. We have still not reached there. Completely not a beginner's trek, I would say. Not at all. Too steep, too many stepping stones, calculative foot stepping, foot holding, all those things are needed, and definitely not a trek to do with your dogs if you are not a regular trekker with your dogs. Your dogs needs to be acclimatized with such terrain as well. Our dogs, we take them on treks at least twice a month, so they know where to put their footing and how to climb and where to jump. So it becomes a little easy for us, but definitely not a beginner's trek, both for us and for the dogs. So yep, let's see how the view from the summit is. Last leg of the trek, we can see the fort. Let's do this.
Call coconut. अब देखो पीछे.
Is it the summit? Approaching summit. Let's see. Ma Kali Durga summit. Ho ho ho! अच्छा है वर्थ
360 panoramic view.
ओके समिटिंग माँ काली दुर्गा नाउ
Last foot. So we have made it to the top.
How was it?
Took us about almost 1 hour 45 minutes
Okay.
to climb up with mid breaks here and there. Totally worth it.
Rakesh,
Yeah,
how was it?
It was good.
How's the view?
Yeah, the
It's
view is
steep.
great.
It's rocky.
It's a little
It's
difficult.
A little
But it's worth
slippery
it.
if you are not wearing the right kind of a shoe.
Right kind of shoes,
Right
yes.
shoes. But yeah, can be
Can be done.
Can be done.
We did it.
We did it.
A beginner can also do it, provided that he takes a little more time. Takes rests, more rests. Yeah, that's good.
We are done with our Makali Durga trek. We just spent some quality time on the summit. The view was spectacular. It's still not cleared out. There is still little fog, but the sun is rising and it will become too hot. So we decided we'll descend. So, yep, amazing trek, amazing path. Difficult, but the view makes up for it. So starting the descent now, it's going to be very difficult, even more than ascent. It's always the same case. So yep, I'll go down to the parking and then again check in, because we are going to keep all our electronics inside. We can't risk vlogging or taking any electronics outside with dogs in this rocky terrain. So peace out. We have successfully made down
Completed our trek.
without any injury.
Yes.
Whew. Ma Kali Durga, you have our respect. Whew. Yeah. Finally made down the most difficult part. We're still walking through the forest. But yeah, the most difficult part is done. So I would say Ma Kali Durga is done. A couple of pointers to remind: it is not a pet friendly trek. We made a lot of requests to the gate man and he allowed. And he mentioned it with bold letters that it's on your risk because there are leopards. So caution there. It's a moderate to difficult trek, I would say. If you want to do it, please at least you should be at least a runner of minimum 5 kilometers. Then only you will be able to do it, but you will be too exhausted and it won't be as enjoyable as if you are fit enough to do it. So that is one thing. And very important thing is we need to pre-book this trek. For weekend it is 450 rupees per adult, and for weekday it was 300 rupees. So we generally choose weekdays because crowd is less, and also 300 rupees. So we chose Friday. Only 9 people had booked the slot, and we met the other 6 on our way. So it was peaceful. Yep. Stay hydrated and have fun. See you!